नहीं right, IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. Tell me, so what is the IUPAC name of ketone? What is IUPAC nomenclature? Alkanone. Okay. Right. For example, CH3, C double bond O CH3. Tell me. So what is the IUPAC name of ketone? Propanone. If it is 4 carbons, right, if there is a 4 carbon or more than 3 carbon atoms, then give the numbering and tell me. So give the numbering from the side, from the end, which gets carbonyl gets least number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is butane. Butane, which one? 2-one. What is the IUPAC name? Tell me. So write the IUPAC name of this. So here in IUPAC nomenclature, the first rule is selection of parent chain. So select the parent chain, then next is numbering. Tell me, numbering from you can give from any end, but substituent should get least number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 2-methyl. Tell me. No, one second, no, not. Okay, but here functional group has priority, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 3-methyl butane 2-one. Again butane, it should not ANEN, just AN, butane 2-one. Next, select the parent chain. From both the side you will get same numbering, right? From both the side you will get same numbering. Therefore it is a 2,4 dimethyl 2,4 dimethyl pent 3-one. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So both the side same numbering. Okay, next again methyl group is second carbon and 6 carbon, 2 comma 6 dimethyl. Tell me, hept which one? 4. It is heptane. Heptane. It is also one second. Dimethyl pentane. Pentane, not ANE, just AN. Pentane 3-1. Okay, it is correct. Okay, so it is heptane 4-one. Next, if the keto group present on cyclic ring, it is a cyclohexane plus one, hexanone, cyclohexanone. Next, it is 1,2 carbonyl group, keto group get first priority. So which methyl? 2-methyl cyclopentanone. 2-methyl cyclopentanone. Next, so one side bromine is there, it is a methyl. So you know this keto group gets same numbering, right? That's what bromine gets first priority. So therefore it is a 1 bromo propane. Which one? Propane 2-one. So 1 bromo propane 2-one. Next, 1, 2, 3. Keto group gets same numbering from the both the side. So double bond has to get first priority. Okay, then tell me, it is a pent. Pent A na E na? Pent ene. Which ene? Pent 1 ene. Which one? 3-one. Pent 1 ene 3-one. Next, so here is 1, 2, 3. Carbonyl group gets same numbering, but this is a bromine. Bromine is a substituent. Double bond also one kind of functional group. Double bond, triple bond has last priority, but double bond is a functional group. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 bromo. Tell me, pent which ene? 1 ene 3-one. Next, so 1, 2, 3. So carbonyl group gets same numbering from both the side. Then, so if the double bond and triple bond present equal in position, which has to get more priority? Double bond. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me, it is a pent which ene? 1 ene. Which ene? 4 ene. So 4 ene 3-one. Now this is a secondary suffix. Okay, pent. Okay, next write the IUPAC name of. Take one question. Write the IUPAC name of following. Write the IUPAC names of the following ketones. Write the IUPAC name of these ketones. Okay. Right. You write it. Will you write it? Next. Tell me. Let's say 1, 2 different example. Okay. Can you tell me this IUPAC name of this ketone? Bega. Those you write it later. It is a dione. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me. It is a butane, butane 2, 3 dione, right? It is a ANE. Why? Because secondary suffix starts with what? AEIOU. It starts with D. Therefore, butane 2, 3 dione. Next. Tell me. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Numbering is same from both the side. It is a pentane 2, pentane 3, 4 dione. Tell me. 1, 2 barutala. Okay, 2 comes. 1, 2 comes. So then 2, 3 dione. Next, if it is aldehyde group and keto group is there, so which will get more priority? Aldehyde. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the substituent? What is the name of this C double bond O substituent? It is a oxo. Which oxo? 4-oxo pentanol. Okay. Next, if it is cyclic ring containing keto group and there is a aldehyde group. Tell me now, which is a principal functional group? Aldehyde. Side chain is a parent chain. Therefore, it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then this is a 1 prime. It is 2 prime. Come on, tell me. On third carbon, there is a 1 prime, 2 prime, oxo, cyclohexyl. Yes or no? So 2 prime oxocyclohexyl, it is a 1, 2, 3 propanol. That's it. Okay. So these are some different examples, aldehydes. and ketones. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. Tell me. So what is the IUPAC name of alcohol? Alkanol, right? Alkanol, not all. Alkanol. Alkanol is aldehyde, alkanol is alcohol. Okay, write quickly. 1 carbon alcohol, CH3OH. 2 carbon alcohol. Tell me, this is methanol, it is ethanol. 3 carbon alcohol, right? If there are 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms are there, then numbering should be given, right? 1, 2, 3. It is a propanol. Which propanol? Propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol. Next, tell me, it is propane 2-ol. Next, write the IUPAC name. Tell me. So numbering, first selection of parent chain. Numbering should be from the side of functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tell me. Meth, eth, prop, but. So butane, which ol? Butane 1-ol. Next, 1, 2, 3. So now it is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Tell me. Wrong. Select the parent chain first. Longest parent chain. Then it is 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl propane. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Next, cyclohexane plus ol. Cyclohexane 1-ol or hexanol. Cyclohexanol. Next, Double bond, yeah, double bond is there and OH is there. Which has to get more priority? OH. Therefore, give the numbering OH1, it is 2, 3. Okay, then cyclohex, which in? Cyclohex 2 in which ole? 1 ole. 2 in 1 ole. Understand? Next, double bond and OH group. OH has to get more priority. 1, 2, 3. Tell me, it is a prop 2 in 1 ole. Next, double bond and triple bond. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First, you see the OH group. OH group should get least number. Then we see double and triple bond. Since OH get same numbering both the side, then double bond, triple bond. If the double bond, triple bond present equivalent positions, give the more priority to double bond. Tell me, it is pent 1 in 4 in 3 ole. Next, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. OH gets same the numbering from the both the side. Then there is a double bond and Br. So double bond has to get more priority. Why? Because Br is a substituent. It is just a substituent, whereas double bond is a functional group. It has least priority, that of course, but it comes under the category of functional group. So therefore, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So while writing the name, substituent Br, right? So which Br it is? 5Br. Therefore, 5-bromo pent 1 in which ole? 1 in 3 ole. Okay. Next. So numbering must be right to left or left to right? Right to left, because 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2. So you least bother about double and triple bond. If there is a more priority function group is present on the parent chain, you need not to bother about least priority groups. Okay, let it be double bond here, triple bond first position. But we need to see this. It is 1, it is 2, 3, 4. So therefore, it is a but 3 in 2 ole. Right. Next, it is also same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 in 1 ole. Okay. Write question. Write the IUPAC name of following alcohols. Write the IUPAC names of the following alcohols. It's a glucose. So write the structure of glucose. Sorry, IUPAC name of glucose. Okay, so if there are two OH group, which is called diol, numbering is same, 1, 2, 3, 4, meth, eth, prop, but. It is a butane, 2, 3, diol. Like here also, 1, it is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, tetraol. Finished? Tell me, any, shall I do it? Any difficulty? This is okay? Now this is a principal functional group, right? Therefore it is parent chain. It becomes side chain? No. If it is side chain, it is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime. So it is a, what is the side chain here? On second carbon, 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime, 4 prime hydroxy, meth, eth, prop, butyl. Okay, butyl. Then this is what? When carboxylic group is directly attached to cyclic ring, it is called a carboxylic acid, right? Okay, then cyclohexane, carboxylic acid. So cyclohexane, which carboxylic acid? 1 carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane 1 carboxylic acid. Okay. So if there is a double bond, we should add A, letter A, like buta, penta, hexa, that is same. I hope you can write it remaining all. Okay. Next, IUPAC nomenclature of ether. IUPAC nomenclature of ether. Right. So what is the IUPAC name of ether? Alkoxy alkane, right? It is alkoxy alkane. Okay. For example, let us take CH3 OCH3, simplest ether. Tell me, which is a alkoxy and which is a alkane? So take smaller alkyl group with oxygen, that is alkoxy. Smaller alkyl group with oxygen, alkoxy, and larger alkyl group is alkane. But here methyl, both are same. Therefore, you can take any one alkyl group is a alkoxy. Okay, it is a methoxy. Since it is a methoxy, this is a methane. So therefore, it is methoxy. Methane is the IUPAC name. Next, one more example, CH3 CH2 OCH3. Now, so smaller alkyl group is taken with oxygen, alkoxy. It is a one carbon and oxygen, it is a alkoxy, therefore it is a methoxy. Methoxy ethane. Methoxy ethane. Next, if it is tell me now, both the alkyl groups are same, therefore now take this is a ethoxy, remaining is 2 carbon ethane, ethoxy ethane. But if the parent chain has more than 2 carbon or 3 or more than 3 carbon, then numbering should be given. Now tell me, first identify the which is alkoxy, either methoxy or propoxy. Methoxy, right? So methoxy, it is alkoxy should be with smaller alkyl group, alkoxy. Then is, now next is, if this parent chain has, see actually this alkoxy is a substituent, you take as a substituent, alkoxy, hydroxy, right, methoxy, it is just like substituent, it is alkoxy. Where the alkoxy present? On alkane. Which alkane? Then give the numbering 1, 2, 3. That means alkoxy present carbon should be taken as a 1. Not always, it depends on. Okay, it is a 1. So therefore, now this alkoxy is a one substituent. So therefore, now tell me which alkoxy it is? 1 methoxy. Yes or no? 1 methoxy. Which meth is propane, right? 1 methoxy propane. If it is CH3 CH3 OCH3, tell me now. Again you separate first alkoxy, it is alkoxy. Alkoxy group present which carbon? Then take the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So therefore, which methoxy? 2-methoxy propane. Do you understand? Next, for example, come on, tell me. Now first you separate the alkoxy group. Identify alkoxy, methoxy. Now methoxy present 1, 2, 3. From this side 1, 2. So tell me, for which is given more priority? Either double bond or ether? Ether. In priority group you see it, alcohol, after alcohol ether comes. So therefore ether group should get more priority. Therefore this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me now which ethoxy? 2-methoxy, methoxy, but 3-ene. Next, one more example. Alkoxy alkane. So identify which is alkoxy. Methoxy, right? Smaller alkyl ethoxy. Ethoxy. Cyclohexane. Alkoxy alkane, no. Alkoxy alkane. Alkane, there nothing but cyclohexane. So therefore ethoxy cyclohexane. Next, suppose if there are two alkoxy groups are there. This is methoxy, it is ethoxy. Tell me, Methoxy starts with M, ethoxy E. So numbering should be given from the side of ethoxy. 1, 2. Therefore, it is 1 ethoxy, 2 methoxy, ethane. Okay. Next. Tell me, if there are 2 methoxy groups are present on parent chain. So here methoxy, numbering. So again lowest sum rule. It is general rule, lowest sum. So from right to left or left right? Right to left. 1, 2, 3. So therefore 1, 2 dimethoxy propane. Right? Take one question. Write the IUPAC name of following ethers. Write the IUPAC names of the following ethers. Okay. So write the IUPAC name of followings. Tell me. First, identify the alkoxy. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So alkoxy group gets same numbering from the both the end. Then we need to see the other substituent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here other substituent is methyl. Okay, then tell me. 2-methyl, 3-methoxy. See, methyl is there, methoxy is there. Which has to come first? Methyl or methoxia? Or say methyl, methoxy. See, meth, common, no? Same. It starts with Y. It is O. Therefore, O come first. So, therefore, it is which methoxy? 3-methoxy. 2-methyl pentane. Okay. Then will you write remaining? This is what? Ethoxy, right? Ethoxy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first comes ethoxy comes no? Ethoxy. 1 ethoxy, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Okay, that you can do. And you see with alkene. Okay, see this. It is a ethoxy, right? Yes or no? Ethoxy. And can you take ethoxy or this double bond? It is also 2 carbon, no? Ethoxy, right? Because the parent chain having multiple bonds has more priority. Now this is a parent chain now. Therefore 1, 2. So which ethoxy? 1 ethoxy, ethene. Okay, ethene has 2 carbon. That's what 1 ethoxy not required. If you write also nothing wrong. 1 ethoxy, ethene. Right? Now here also see, it is a methoxy, chloro and bromo. Chloro, bromo. So therefore give the numbering first. 1, 2, 3. Ethoxy, chloro, bromo. Ethoxy E, chloro C, bromo B. First bromo, then chloro, then ethoxy. Okay, you should take in alphabetical order. Right? Next here, methoxy, dimethoxy. Here ethoxy, methoxy. First ethoxy, then methoxy, but bromo is there. First bromo, then ethoxy, then methoxy. So remaining all. See, this is a ethoxy, diethoxy. Okay? It is methoxy, dimethoxy. Yes or no? Next, IUPAC nomenclature of amine. IUPAC nomenclature of amine. Okay, tell me. So amine nomenclature, already we have completed amine topic. So amines there are 3 types. What are those? Primary amine. So what is the IUPAC name of primary amine? Alkanamine, like methanamine, ethanamine, propanamine. Next, secondary amine. It is a N-alkyl alkanamine. N-alkyl alkanamine. Next, tertiary amine. So what is IUPAC name of tertiary amine? N, N di-alkyl alkanamine, right? Then what is the functional group of primary amine? There is a NH2, here is NHN. Okay, let's see example. CH3 NH2. It's a primary amine. If there is a NH2 group, it is called primary amine. It is methanamine. Next, CH3 CH2 NH2, ethanamine, CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. If there are 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms are there, we should give the numbering. Then numbering should be start from the functional group 1, 2, 3. It is a propanamine, but which propanamine? Propane 1 amine. Some book it is given 1 propanamine also, but that is also correct, 1 propanamine. Okay. Next, if it is CH3 CH NH2 CH3, the numbering 1, 2, 3, it is a propane 2 amine. Yes or no? Next, if it is double bond and NH2, so give the numbering. It is 1, 2, 3. From this side 1, 2. Tell me first, it is NH2 is a functional group. NH2 is a functional group. There, yes or no? There more priority given to the NH2 because double bond comes at the end, double and triple. So therefore it is 1, it is 2, then it is 3, 4. So therefore it is a butane. But 3 in 2 amine. Okay, if there is double bond, triple bond like this, if it is a cyclic ring is there, tell me. So what is IUPAC name? It is also alkanamine, cyclohexanamine, cyclohexanamine. Cyclohexanamine. Okay, if the cyclohexane ring containing other substituent like chlorine, bromine, let us take here is bromine, the numbering should be start from the amine group because amine is a functional group, bromine is a substituent. So it is a, now it become 3-bromo cyclohexanamine or hexane 1 amine, cyclohexane 1 amine. Okay, next let us take secondary amine. Tell me, CH3 NHCH3. See, now here nitrogen attaching with 3 alkyl group. Okay, take smaller alkyl group is a N-alkyl, remaining is alkanamine. Okay, alkanamine has more number of carbon atom compared to N-alkyl. Therefore here same carbon atom, therefore you can take this is a N-alkyl, means N-methyl methanamine. N-alkyl methanamine. One more. If it is CH3 CH2 N CH3 CH3. So it is a N-methyl N-methyl. N comma N dimethyl. Okay, then it is a ethanamine. Ethanamine. Suppose if there is a double bond, Tell me now. Give the numbering. It is a, of course, N alkyl, right? You should write N alkyl first. N methyl. Okay, N methyl. Then numbering, tell me. It is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, amine group gets same numbering both the side. But here this side is double bond is there. Double bond has to get more priority. So N methyl pent, which in 1 in which amine? 3 amine. Yes or no? Pent 1 in 3 amine. Right? Next. And tell me, there is a methyl group, N comma N, dimethyl. Okay, dimethyl, it's amine. Then numbering, tell me. So numbering should be start from amine group, no? Amine is 1. There are 2 possibilities. 2, 3. 2, 3. So double bond has to get first priority or bromine? Double bond. Okay, therefore 2, 3, this is correct. Then 4, 5, 6. N comma N dimethyl 6. 6 bromo cyclohex, which in 3 in 1 amine. Okay, so like that you can write IUPAC name of any amine, primary, secondary, tertiary. So take one question. Write the IUPAC name of following amines. Write the IUPAC name of following amines. Okay, will you write it? Nomenclature of amide completed, no? Amide. Carboxylic acid and its all derivatives over Okay, almost cyanide not completed, right? Next, right. IUPAC nomenclature of cyanides, not over, I think. No. IUPAC nomenclature of cyanides and isocyanides. Tell me. So what is the IUPAC name of cyanide? Alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. Not alkyl, alkane. What is the IUPAC name of isocyanide? One important name or reaction is there. Test for identification of primary amines. Carbyl amine test, right? You will get their isocyanide. The IUPAC name of isocyanide is carbyl amine. Carbyl amine. Okay, now let's see. CH3 C triple bond N. Tell me, what is the IUPAC name? Methyl cyanide is a common name. It is a methyl cyanide. What is IUPAC name? IUPAC name alkane nitrile. Alkane, 1 2 carbon. Nitrile is, there is N. Therefore, ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile, not methane nitrile. There are 2 carbon, ethane nitrile. Okay, next. CH3 CH2 CH2 CN. Okay, and tell me now. So it is 1 2 3 4. Butane nitrile. 1 nitrile is not required because there is no other carbon. No, it is butane nitrile. Next, it is 1 2 3 4. Which methyl? So 3 methyl meth eth prop but. Butane nitrile. So 3 methyl butane nitrile. Next, numbering from here, this carbon is 1 2 3. Then remaining rules are same. 2 methyl propane nitrile. Okay, but if it is CH2 CN CH2 CN, tell me what is IUPAC name? It is a dinitrile, no? 1 2 3 4. So 1 comma 4 dinitrile, but which dinitrile? Butane. Butane 1 comma 4 dinitrile. Do you remember? When cyanide group is directly attached to cyclic ring, it has another name. When cyanide group is attached to cyclic ring, it has another name. See the notes. Like cyclohexane, C triple bond N, carbonitrile. Then this is called carbonitrile. Which carbonitrile? It become alkane, no? Therefore, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane carbonitrile. nitrile, right? Cyclohexane carbonitrile, right? Next, similarly, if it is CH2CN, CHCN, CH2CN, just like carboxylic acid, okay, like in tricarboxylic acid we have written this name. Then tell me, if you take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is a dinitrile comes, but this is CN, you cannot take in nomenclature. Therefore, you take it is a propane, 1, 2, 3. So propane 1, 2, 3, tricarbonitrile. It means wherever this alkane nitrile nomenclature is not possible, you can use carbonitrile nomenclature. Okay. Similarly, 1, 2 example, isocyanide. So this nomenclature comes by practicing only. Even if I explain 1000 example, so ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so isocyanide, tell me, RNC, no. So what is the IUPAC name? Carbyl amine. Okay, see here this carbon is a carbyl, remaining part is amine, means alkanamine, carbyl alkanamine. For example, CH3 N triple bond C. So what is the IUPAC name? It is a carbyl amine, of course. This carbyl is a carbon is a carbyl, and which amine? Methanamine. Methanamine, ethanamine, that is common. Like we have written N alkyl amine, no? N alkyl amine. If there is a secondary amine, instead of this, you know, instead of this C, something, if it is a like methyl is there, what we have written? N methyl methanamine, no, the same name. So instead of methyl here carbon is there, that's what it is, a carbyl methanamine. Okay, the next, if it is a CH3 CH2 NC, come on, CH3 CH CH3 NC, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH NC. So all the rules are same. The only thing is you need to write separately carbyl. It is a carbyl ethanamine. Carbyl ethanamine. Next, it is a carbyl. Which propanamine? 1, 2, 3. Again same alkane amine nomenclature. Carbyl. Which amine? Meth 1, 2, 3. Propane 2 amine. Okay. Next, it is a carbyl 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbyl but 1 in 1 amine. So therefore exactly similar to amine nomenclature. Okay. So next, write nomenclature of bicyclo compounds.